In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save a post on Facebook. And you can do this with anything, a post, a video, a photo. So when you are scrolling down your timeline, you may see a post that you would like to save, maybe for inspiration, for whatever reason. And so you just select the three dots up in the right corner of the post. You select Save Post, and you can put it in a collection, or you can just not choose any collection to save it. So when you are scrolling down your timeline, you may see something that you would like to save. It may inspire you. And again, you can do this with any type of post. You can do this with a video. You can do this with a picture or just a regular post. So for example, under videos, scroll and maybe you find a video that you want to save, and you could save it, create a new collection, videos. So to find your saved post, if you are inside of your mobile app, you just select the hamburger menu option in the lower right hand corner. And then you want to go to Saved. Now, there's the same option on desktop. You have a menu bar, and you just select Saved. And inside of there, you will be able to see your most recent post that you saved, whether they are video or photo or just a regular post. And then you scroll further down, you can see your collections. Now, to create a collection here is great because you can select who can see your collection. You can make it public so that anyone can see it. You can make it so that only friends can see it. Only people who you invite to add to this collection can see it, or you can make it private where only you can see it. To delete a post, you just simply select the three dots again, and you can either share it, send it in Messenger, view the original post. You can copy the link. And if it's a video, you can download the video if the video is public. And I do have a video showing you how to do that, or you can simply unsave it. To delete an actual collection, you need to go inside of the collection, and then you want to delete the collection. And inside of the collection, as you can see, after you press on those three dots to open the menu, you have the option to change things around, delete or move items. You can manage the privacy settings from here, where you control if your collection is public or private. You can edit the collection, including updating a cover photo, or here you can delete the collection permanently. So collections are a great way to organize content and information for you to save for later, for whatever reason. It's a great resource and tool. So that is how you add things to your collection, change it around, or delete a collection, as well as saving posts. It's really easy. So I hope this tutorial was helpful.